Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a bit of a channel update video and also opening some post from the US of A. It's a cold and windy day here in the UK with on and off rain, so we're inside by the fire, and I'll go through quite a few things that I'd like to talk about, and I've got a laptop here that I'll be reading off of, so that's what I'm looking at if I keep looking down for my notes. Now we'll start off with some good news. We want to make a return to doing these Wednesday videos on our channel. Now you will have seen last week we did our first Workshop Wednesday of the year, which was Tool of the Month, and we hope to do this Tool of the Month for the rest of the year. We've got quite a few tools lined up that we'd like to show you and talk about, and the aim is to keep doing these Wednesday videos as much as we possibly can. Now, one of the things that we're going to feature for these Wednesday videos will be a number of old UK garden tractor videos, which are adverts made by the companies Westwood and Countax, which were their promotional videos for their machinery, which we've got access to now, and we will be posting in the next few Wednesdays because we had to convert them so that we could actually upload them. And thanks to Paul, who sent these videos to us so that we could actually see them. They are quite an interesting watch. And these will be posted without any of our intro music or editing or anything. It will just be the raw footage that the tractor companies would have made. And as I said before, I think the first one will be posted next Wednesday, so keep an eye out for that. Now, some other things that we covered on Workshop Wednesday previously, like workshop changes, were stalled over the winter. And there are still a few things that we'd like to do, so there'll be a few of those kind of videos posted in the Wednesday slot moving forward. And we're thinking about making a few YouTube shorts too, which will be uploaded on Wednesdays as well. We've now reached over 1,100 subscribers on the channel, so thank you to everyone that is subscribed. And we've also enabled monetization now on our videos. We're not fully sure how well this will go or if it's something that we're going to continue doing, but any money made from that, we don't see it as a money making exercise. It'll be funneled back into hopefully improving our videos and also paying off part of the cost for tractor parts, because anyone that works on tractors will know that parts can get quite expensive sometimes. And something else that we've done is we've set up an Amazon affiliate link, which you'll see the links in the descriptions of some of our newer videos and all of our new videos from now onwards. We've done it a bit differently from how some people do it, and we've set up a global account. So if you follow one of the links in the description of our videos, it'll take you to the Amazon page for your country. I believe, obviously I can't really test it being in the UK. And again, we've got no clue how well this will go, and from all the purchases with our link we get a small commission, which, as I said, with the YouTube money, it would just be funneled back into paying for parts and improving our video quality and stuff like that. And I believe also with our Amazon links, if you follow one of our links and then just search for a different product and do your Amazon shopping, I think we still get a commission for that too, with no extra cost to you when you're buying your product off of Amazon. And as I said, those links will be in the description of all of our videos from now onwards. Another big milestone that we've reached recently is we did our first collaboration with a tool brand for a video, which was last week when we did the review of the Seika Mini chainsaw. and I'd like to thank Seika again for sending us out that tool. And if you missed that video, it's well worth a watch, and it's a very good tool. Now on to our post from the US, and we do know who this is from because it says on the other side. This is from Ed at My Cluttererd Garage, and Ed has a very good channel, and he does something that not a lot of people do, which is every Monday night, I believe, he does live streams, and every now and then he has guests on, and a few weeks back we were invited to be a guest on his live stream, and of course we accepted. It was quite late for us, so we might have seemed a bit sleepy, but it was a great session talking to Ed. And if you want to see that live stream, make sure to head over to his channel, My Cluttererd Garage, and head over to the live section, and you can watch the live stream back if you wanted to. But let's have a look in his mail here. I'll just open this up. Nice thank you card there. And there's a note here, and I'll read this in a minute, but we've also got some My Cluttererd Garage stickers. We've just had a read of the note from Ed, so thank you very much, Ed, for the kind words. And he sent us 4 stickers, 2 of this orange design and 2 of this black and white design, and I really like these sticker designs. So thank you again, Ed. And if you haven't checked out his channel, please check out My Cluttererd Garage, and he makes some very good videos, so I'm sure you'll like it, and there'll be a link in the description, so be sure to head over there and check him out. Since we hit the 1,000 subscriber mark on the channel, the rate at which we're gaining new subscribers seems to have decreased quite significantly, and this might be for a couple of reasons. It might be down to our poor content or poor videos. I do like firm but fair criticism, so please do let us know if people think that is the case. And if you watch our videos but aren't subscribed, I'd like to ask you to please consider doing so. It does help us out a lot, and completely free, and it helps the channel grow too. Now, before we end here, I'd just like to say that a couple of our YouTube friends and channel supporters haven't had the best start to the year, with illnesses in their families or other things going on. I'm not going to name names, I'm sure people know who they are, but I'd just like to say best wishes from us to you, and I hope your situations improve soon. And to everyone, I hope everyone had a great Easter this past weekend. But that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.